I like that attitude. I like that. I don't care. Just
his fault.
Down.
All right, let's go that way.
All right. I don't know if I've ever been learning these trails. They all look the same. They look like dirt.
Some of them will have the more advanced ones. Will have the bridges, and you little bit of a drop, and any jumps you have, you'll also have a side route where you can. No, I don't want to do that jump. Never, I'll go around it.
Good.
But there's some of them that aren't so much dirt, a little bit more gravel and
Have you done
bridge.
kamikaze from top to bottom?
I'm not doing kamikaze. That's not for me. That's not for
Then it
me.
must not be for me. That's
Sound
what
like
I'm
that kind
down
of rider.
Oh,
I mean,
nothing to prove, dude.
I know it's really like steep, and a lot of people just go barreling
it's
down
a
it.
little bit of this, with the kamikaze, and then it's very wide, the size of a road.
Yeah.
So it's not that crazy as far as you're not going to fall off the side or anything, but the speed is just too fast. You lock up your brakes, you're going endo. So I'm not. It's not for me, but you get padded up enough, you can go down it. But
I'm in your club. That doesn't sound like any fun.
yeah,
Thanks.
yeah.
Next time I'm 18 to 20 in top physical condition, I'll try it out.
But if you guys go that way, though, I think this is kind of a nice, relaxing trail, and a little bit down so you can get some speed, and it crosses kamikaze, so you can see it for yourself and just look both ways, and you can see what's going on with it. But when I saw it,
I think that's the one this is the one that leads to that advanced trail that we wanted to try. There's one that goes off kamikaze that looked like it had some nice little jumps, and it was black diamond. It wasn't double or expert or anything like that. So,
well, the cool thing, like I said, the cool thing about Black Diamond and all the advanced trails, if you don't want to do the jump or you don't want to do whatever, you just kind of stay to the right, and just keep going,
I have fun, and that's all there is to it. Yep.
Like they said, they can rent if you want to go on kamikaze, you can rent the fat bikes. The tires are like this wide.
There you go.
And you're on a dirt bike. It's just you got way more control than these skinny mountain bike tires.
That's a really good point.
Yeah. Enjoy your ride.
Thanks, you guys.
Yeah.
I love it up here.
Oh, I'm still recording.